I'm about to paint my header. It looks hideous. Alright, so I think I got the harness all connected. I'm not even sure, to be honest. I don't remember how it was. It looks trash though. I don't like all these loose wires. The way that look, it looks terrible. But luckily you ain't gonna be able to see too much of that anyways.
Hey, hold on. Oh, never mind. That's just the oil cap. What? Come check these terminals.
I never did put them on. Alright, so everything is pretty much done with the car, but it still won't start. And this is what it's doing right here. I'm gonna put the key in. That's all I'm getting. No check engine light for 2 seconds, and the fuel pump isn't priming for 2 seconds either. That's it. Looks pretty good. It's pretty lightweight too. Decent welds on the flanges. I don't know if you can see that. It's at the license plate holder. What is this? Shirt. This thing. Couple of decals. Black one and a white one. Man, this actually looks good. I'm surprised with this quality. $250. Alright, So I finally got it to start. I don't know exactly what I did because I messed with everything. I pretty much double checked everything, disconnected it and put it all back together. And with the main relay, all those plugs down there, I messed with everything until I could finally get it to start getting the fuel pump to kick on. And there it is. Let's see. It's idling real rough. But you get it. It runs. That's all that matters. There's no exhaust connector right now. It's running straight from the header. That's why it's so loud. And I will be putting the exhaust on probably later today. Most likely I'll have the unboxing video I did up in here too. Up in the same video. But we'll see. So I went to go put my exhaust on, and then I realized that this flange right here was like way too big to connect to my header, and this goes into here in a test pipe like this. Oh, you get it. But what I did was cut off the flange of my old exhaust, so I can slide that into there like how this goes in there, to see if I can make that work. Hopefully it does work out. Alright, got the exhaust on, kinda. I don't even know if you can see that. Oh yeah. Well yeah, it's on there. But the car won't even start because for one, my battery is dead, and two, I don't even have any gas to start it. So I'm not even gonna get to hear it right now. I have to go get some more gas and get this battery charged, and then I'll get to start it up. That header paint was a waste. It's all burning off. Alright. So, got the exhaust all on, or whatever. There's a couple areas where I don't have any hangers, because they broke off of the car. But the problem I'm dealing with right now is this test pipe. Even after doing this, I'm still having problems with the test pipe, and it's because it ain't long enough, really. Like, it keeps popping off when it's on there. So I bought these exhaust clamps right here from AutoZone for like $3 or $4, something like that. I'll put those on there and see if they could keep the exhaust in place. Alright, so I already got the clamps on there. It only took like 5 minutes to put it on. I'm gonna start it up and see what happens real quick. Whew, it's hot up in here. My belt might be a little too tight, but it sounds like it's on there pretty good. It's still loud, so I'm pretty sure there's still an exhaust leak somewhere. Alright, so I just went and bought another exhaust clip, and seems like it's on there pretty good now. What's going on with this vacuum? It's loud though.